Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the star of the show, we have this gorgeous 2020 Kia Sedona LX Plus to show you. If you're looking for passenger capability, we've got you covered. This Kia holds 8 passengers. Under the hood, you're going to find a powerful 3.3 liter V6 engine that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this is shown in a gorgeous mineral blue color. As we head around to the sunshine, you'll be able to see that. This has been fully safetied and inspected and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, your power doors, your power trunk, panic button. Your mirrors also power fold in when you lock and unlock the vehicle. Once inside, you have a beautiful two-tone interior, power mirrors, windows, and locks. And again, you have that option to power fold your mirrors in. You have a gorgeous light gray interior. Your driver seats are heated and they are fully adjustable with lumbar support. And then into your steering wheel, it is also heated, so you're going to be toasty warm in the winter. You have cruise control and information selection on the right-hand side. On the left, Bluetooth and hands-free and audio-mounted controls. To the left of that, you do have your traction control and a tilt option on the steering wheel. Into the dash, the current mileage is 43,613 kilometers, and then you have a menu of information that you can toggle through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. And then as we move over to the right, you have that push button start. You also have the proximity key system helping you in, so it's going to be very convenient to get in and start the vehicle as long as you have the key fob somewhere on you. Into your entertainment system, you have your AM and FM capability for your radio options. And then for your media, you'd be able to connect through auxiliary Bluetooth USB. It looks like you also have the option for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in here. You also have a great backup camera and the vehicle's in reverse. So again, there's always lots more in these entertainment systems. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor as well. Down below, of course, you have your climate control with air conditioning. You also have rear climate, so your back passengers are going to be able to pick the perfect position for them. Again, your USB ports. You have a wireless charging pad as well if your phone is compatible. Eco mode, parking sensors, and heated seat and steering wheel options. And then lots of space in the center area with another USB port. I'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. You can also, this is my favorite part, adjust the passenger seat right from here, so you don't have to reach over, which is lovely. Locking glove compartment, you have some space above that. Illuminated vanity mirrors. Your power door options, you can use that from your remote or from up top here. You also have a built-in mirror to keep an eye on the back passengers. And as we head into the back, in your second row here, you do have 3 seats. So that middle portion does fold down to be an armrest and 2 cup holders if you're not using it. And then this seat does lift forward to give you access to that third row, which has an additional 3 seats. So again, 8 passengers in total, 2 cup holders for your second row. Here's a look at your third row. And then from the back, you have a nice deep storage area because these do stow down. And they do flatten, of course, as well if you don't need those extra 3 seats. So really a lot of space. You do have a power lift tailgate as well. So that was just a very, very quick tour. This is a gorgeous vehicle, super comfortable to drive, and again, lots of space and versatility. So we'd encourage you to come on down and check this out for yourself. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.